We've all faced the chaos of a messy backpack, zippers straining, clothes tumbling out, and that sinking feeling when you can't find what you need. Digging endlessly for essentials, wasting precious time, and feeling that wave of frustration as you realize your charger or passport is buried somewhere at the bottom. A disorganized pack doesn't just slow you down, it drains your energy, saps your motivation, and can even ruin the excitement of your adventure before it truly begins. But with the right strategy, your backpack transforms into an extension of yourself, organized, efficient, and always ready for anything the road throws your way. This guide is your survival manual for packing, designed to help you master the art of travel organization. Packing is about more than just squeezing things into a bag, it's about taking control, adopting the right mindset, and setting yourself up for success. Think of your backpack as your mobile base camp. Every item should have its place, be easy to access, and serve a purpose. A well-packed bag gives you confidence, peace of mind, and lets you focus on the journey ahead, not the jumble behind you. The frustration of a poorly packed bag is universal, but the good news is, it's completely preventable with a little planning. Imagine needing your first aid kit in an emergency, only to find it buried under a week's worth of laundry and tangled cords. Every second counts. By learning to pack with purpose, you're not just organizing your things, you're preparing for the unexpected and giving yourself a real advantage on the road. We'll break down the process step by step, from choosing the right gear to the final check before you zip up and go. Forget random stuffing. Apply a system, a survival strategy for your luggage that saves time, space, and stress. You'll move faster, travel lighter, and your backpack will become your trusted companion, always ready for the next adventure. Let's get you ready for it, because every great journey starts with a well-packed bag. This is your first step toward becoming a more capable, self-reliant traveler, able to handle whatever comes your way. Prepare to pack like a pro, mastering techniques that seasoned travelers swear by. Take command of your gear, your mindset, and your adventure. Let's begin this journey together. Your backpack is your lifeline. Choose wisely. It's more than just a bag, it's your constant companion, carrying everything you need for the journey ahead. The size depends on your mission. 20 to 30 liters for weekends, 40 to 50 for longer trips, and 60 plus for expeditions or extended adventures. Think about how much you really need to carry, and don't overpack. Always pick the smallest pack you can manage. A lighter load means easier travel, less fatigue, and more freedom to move. Look for a good suspension system, padded shoulder straps, a sternum strap for stability, and a hip belt to transfer weight to your hips, taking pressure off your shoulders and back. Multiple access points like a front opening panel or side zippers make life easier by letting you reach your gear quickly. Durability matters. Choose tough, water-resistant fabric and strong zippers that won't fail when you need them most. Fit is everything. Try packs with weight, adjust the straps for your body, and make sure it moves with you, not against you, as you walk or hike. A poorly fitting pack causes pain and fatigue, turning even short trips into a struggle. Take time to find the perfect fit. Your backpack is your home on the move, so comfort is key. Don't skimp on quality. A good pack is an investment that will last for years and many adventures. Consider your travel style. Are you an urban explorer, a mountain trekker, or a bit of both? Your needs will shape your choice. Pick features that match your needs, like hydration sleeves, rain covers, or extra pockets for organization. Some packs have laptop sleeves for digital nomads, others have gear loops for trekking poles or climbing gear. Choose what fits your adventure best. Your mission's success starts here, with a pack that's ready for anything. The right backpack protects your gear, keeps you supplied, and helps you stay organized. Make this decision count. Comfort and reliability are worth every penny. You'll thank yourself on the trail or in the city. Your journey depends on it. Choose wisely and set out with confidence. Before you even think about packing, execute the laydown. Spread every single item you think you'll need out on the floor. This isn't just about seeing your stuff, it's about taking control before the chaos of travel begins. This visual overview is your battle plan, your first line of defense against overpacking and forgotten essentials. Spot redundancies and be ruthless. If you hesitate, you don't need it. Trust your instincts and cut out anything that doesn't serve a clear purpose. Group items, tops, bottoms, underwear, electronics, toiletries. Organizing by category helps you see what you have and what you might be missing. Sorting brings order and helps you see what's essential. It's a moment to pause and reflect on what you truly need for your journey. Make hard cuts. Think in layers, not bulk. Bulky items take up precious space and weigh you down. A base layer, mid-layer and shell are more versatile than one heavy coat. Layering keeps you prepared for changing weather without overpacking. Choose lightweight, quick-drying, multi-use fabrics. These materials dry fast, pack small, and adapt to different situations. For every item, ask yourself, is this essential for my mission? If not, remove it. Be honest, every item should earn its place. Every ounce saved is energy gained. A lighter pack means more freedom and less fatigue on the road. This pre-packing ritual is the secret to a light, efficient pack. It's the difference between struggling and gliding through your travels. It's about being deliberate and intentional. Every choice you make now pays off later. By planning your inventory, you control your journey. You're not just packing, you're preparing for adventure. You ensure you have what you need and nothing extra. Minimalism is freedom in disguise. Your future self will thank you for this discipline. The laydown is complete and you're set up for success. Now you're ready to pack. Efficiency starts here. Pack with purpose. Travel smarter, travel lighter, and enjoy the journey ahead. Meet your secret weapon, packing cubes. These fabric containers turn chaos into order, acting like drawers for your backpack. Use one for tops, one for bottoms, one for underwear and socks. Need a shirt? Just pull out the right cube. No digging required. Compression cubes save even more space, squeezing bulky items down. Packing cubes make packing and unpacking fast and easy. Pull them out at your destination, and your gear stays organized. Designate one cube for laundry to keep clean and dirty clothes separate. Each cube's size limits what you can bring, enforcing discipline. If it doesn't fit, you're overpacking. Packing cubes are tools for organization, compression, and self-control. Embrace the cube system for order, speed, and sanity. A tidy pack leads to a clear mind. Travel becomes smoother and less stressful. Packing cubes change the way you travel. Stay organized, stay ready. Adventure loves order. Packing is a science. Use 3 vertical zones: bottom, middle, top. Bottom, stash items you won't need until camp: sleeping bag, spare clothes. Middle, place your heaviest gear close to your spine: cook set, food, dense clothes. This centers gravity and improves balance. Top, keep quick access essentials: rain jacket, first aid kit, snacks, head torch. Anything you need fast should be at the top or in the lid pocket. This system keeps you efficient and ready for anything. Practice this method until it's second nature. A well-stacked pack means comfort and stability. Avoid rookie mistakes. Don't let heavy items pull you off balance. Layer your gear for survival and speed. Your pack should work with you, not against you. Be prepared for the trail ahead. Smart packing is smart traveling. Your backpack's pockets aren't junk drawers, they're strategic storage. The top lid pocket is your command center: map, compass, GPS, sunglasses, sunscreen. Side pockets are for water bottles and gear you need on the go. Hip belt pockets are gold: stash snacks, phone, or lip balm for instant access. Use specialized compartments, hydration sleeves, sleeping bag sections, and external straps for pads or wet jackets. Assign a purpose to every pocket and feature. Know exactly where everything is. This system lets you operate with speed and confidence. Your pack becomes a highly organized survival tool. Don't clutter pockets with non-essentials. Use every feature to your advantage. Efficiency is key. Stay organized, stay focused. Every pocket counts. Your pack is loaded. Time for final checks. Put it on, walk around, and adjust the straps. If it feels heavy now, it'll feel worse later. Aim for under 20% of your body weight. Secure your most critical items, passport, cash, tickets, in a waterproof, hard-to-access pocket. Electronics go in padded, waterproof pouches. Do a mental run-through. Know where your rain gear, water, first aid kit, and documents are. This mental map confirms your system works. Packing smart is about professionalism and preparation. You're not just carrying a bag, you're carrying freedom. Light, organized packing means stress-free travel. The world is waiting. Go explore it. You're ready for anything. Your adventure begins now. Move easily, respond to challenges, and immerse yourself in the experience. Packing light is the key to happy travel. Go survive, go enjoy. You've packed like a pro. The journey starts here.